All right, welcome back. So we managed to deploy our card challenge, the QR code scan challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Now we go to our episode 3. So on episode 3, it's about how to make the most out of the front-end community. So now what you need to do is to join the Discord channel. Here you can ask anything there, and you can also get help. I will also be in that for helping whichever that I can. So there's this giving and receiving feedback, so they're just explaining how you can actually make use of the community. I'm not going to read through it. You can read it in the Discord channel. The main aim of this Front-End Mentor Discord community is to help you get feedback and also give feedback. So it's like you're interacting with others that can help. So improvement skills, build relationships, enhance communication, promote learning. So it's all about you having a communication with others, networking with others and helping others. You can also receive feedback from the work that you've submitted, and you can also learning in public. There's a small video here, you can play it if you want to, and some other articles that are just here and some useful links. So that's all of this challenge. This episode is a small one, but a guide that helps you to see what you can do, how you can make use of this community to help you. So the next challenge that we're going to have is the blog preview card. That's what we are going to do in our next video. So let me just start the challenge and see what we actually have. Okay, so this is what we are going to make here. This blog with an image and a tag probably on top, published date, and in mobile responsive. So you can see that from the previous one, it's not much. The same card that we had previously had a QR code and the heading and the paragraph. And this one, they added more things here. They added a tagging, which we're going to make, and published by. Then there's an image and for the author there, and the author's name, and the responsiveness is still the same. Let's just have a quick one to see what we are going to do. A blog preview card. This HTML and CSS only challenge is a perfect project for beginners getting up to speed with HTML and CSS fundamentals like HTML structure and the box model. Okay, so all we have to do is to download the starter files. Then we will see what we can do there. We open it in our VS Code, then we can continue with it. So the brief, your challenge is to build out this blog preview card and get it looking as close to the design as possible. You can also use any tools you like to help to complete the challenge. So if you've got something that you'd like to practice, feel free to give it a go. Your users should be able to see hover effect on the card, see hover and focus state for all the interactive elements on the page. Download the starter code and go through the README files. This will provide further details about the project in the style guide files where you find the colors, fonts, etc. One more support on the challenge, join the community. That's what they said. That's what we've been doing on this previous one. So these are all the assets that have been provided: Figma design files, mobile and tablet desktop layout, professional design system for colors, optimized images, and so on and so on. Idea, test yourself on writing semantic HTML and so on. So now that's what we are going to do on the next video. So now I'm going to download the starter files, and I'm also going to download the Figma files so I can see. Okay, so this is where we are going to end the video today. For the next video, we are going to extract this. Then, as of me, like I said, I'll be using Vite. I'll then migrate these files into my Vite file. Then we can continue from there, and we do the cleanup. Then we design this card. Okay. All right. See you on the next video. And thank you for subscribing. Keep subscribing, comment, share. Let's grow this community. All right. Goodbye and have a nice day.